We have two separate crashes, John, that have closed 35 South in Ankeny. So pretty much from North Ankeny down to the East Mixmaster, 35 South for the most part is closed. Going to take some time here to explain what's going on. So this is 35 at Corporate Woods. This is the southbound lanes. Earlier, this truck here was jackknifed and it was sideways blocking the road. And as that cleared, it looks like we have another car involved. That might be a pickup truck or an SUV that was involved in this crash. They've started to clear the roadway a little bit. They've had snow plows out there and other police working the scene out there as that starts to clear, but it's still blocked there and could be a while before they get through that scene. Then up north by Costco in Ankeny, 35 and Northeast 36th Street, there's a crash that's off camera here. That would be down a little further south, but first responders are blocking that street there, 35 South, and having people exit at 36th Street by the Costco. Now, here's the thing as we take a look at Ore Labor Road. This is where you can get back on to 35, right? If you're going to see that crash at Northeast 36th Street by the Costco, you're going to exit, and then you're going to get back on 35 at Ore Labor Road. These cars probably think 35 is clear up ahead of them. It's not. That's where that semi-truck jackknife. So if you don't want to be in this massive string of brake lights, go ahead and hop over to 69 to get south. Don't try hopping back on 35. Just forget about it for a while this morning as they work through these scenes. As you can see, though, I want to point out 35 north is fine. If you need 35 north, you can certainly do that. Be careful out there. It is slick road. So one more time, let's set that scene in Ankeny through our traffic map here. Those two stretches of purple is where the road is blocked. The south one is the semi truck that is jackknifed and that pickup truck that looks like it's involved as well. And then over north by the Costco is where you see that multi-vehicle crash that they're blocking off. This stretch is fine. That's where you saw those brake lights coming to a halt here, but just avoid it. Don't get on there, otherwise you're going to be behind that next accident and have to get off again. So if you're in Ankeny, you're in Ames, you're in Huxley, anywhere up north, just use 69 today or another way to maneuver south. As you can see through this quad box, the roads are still pretty slick there. Hard to tell, and that might be what contributed here. It looks like it's okay, but there's still icy slick spots due to the temperatures and the freezing conditions. So 35 at Corporate Woods, they're moving this camera around here, but that is where we have the jackknife truck situation going on, and that is where Alyssa Gomez is live on the scene right now. Alyssa, it looks like there's a lot of work being done here. What are you seeing?
Well, this is just another example of what we've been saying about these road conditions are tough right now. I'm going to step out of the way so you guys can get a closer look. We're going to zoom in. Like you said, they've been working to clear that semi, but it looks like that's going to take a while. It was jackknife. We saw that pickup truck involved as well, blocking off all that traffic going south. And it looks like you can still get on at Northeast 66th Ave. We do see cars coming through there, and you can get off at the Corporate Woods exit, but there is a police presence. They are directing traffic right now on the overhang above that situation right there. Again, it's likely going to take a while for them to clear everything out. This is another example of what we said. It might not be snowing, but those road conditions are making for a lot more accidents. And we can still see that huge impact it's having on driving conditions. We'll continue to keep an eye on the situation and bring you more updates. Live in Ankeny, Alyssa Gomez, KZCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.